Hello everyone, my name is Rodrigo. Today I'd like to give you guys a tour of Brookes Westshore. Come on in. Once we enter the school, we enter into a waiting room where we have a fireplace and where we can warm up in the cold winter days. Welcome to our student reception, where students can find the school director, counseling, and the admissions office. If students have any questions, they can contact the staff here. This is our classroom for younger students, where you can see the smaller tables and they're all lined up in a semicircle so they can interact. Over here, you can see their art projects they do and also their library where they can pick out books to read. Right now we're in our high school classrooms. They're all equipped with really modern technology. We have a projector so teachers can easily manipulate the information they want to present to students. All students have to have a computer with them in class. Classes usually have about 14 to 18 students, so they can easily interact with each other and with the teacher. The IB program is really focused on student interaction, so this is how our classrooms are tailored to meet these requirements. Hi everyone, we're currently in the science lab. This classroom has a capacity of 24 students. As you can see, it's fully equipped with science, with the science lab equipment and with the safety equipment. Hi everyone, we're currently in our art room here at Brookes Westshore. I'd like to give you guys a look at what our students have made. Our curriculum has two parts in it. In the first one, our students study the history of art, and in the second one, they apply their knowledge on their art projects. Here you can see some of their creations. And our art room is equipped with lots of equipment. Over here you can see our 3D printer, which students learn how to use as well. This is our school's common area. Behind me is the gym, where students usually play basketball, volleyball, and soccer. Over here are the dormitories that in total have 6 floors. 3 floors are for guys and 3 floors are for girls. To my right is the cafeteria, where students can choose from a buffet of salad, main courses, dessert, and also snacks. We're currently in the school gym. Here, students can practice soccer, basketball, and volleyball. As you can tell from the noise, students are currently practicing. We are currently in the lounge area where students can rest and study. Over here is our buffet, where we have a selection of salads, main courses, desserts, and fruit. Over here, we're currently displaying an art exhibit from our students. We also have a selection of instruments that students can play and a stage so they can perform to their classmates. Outside, close to our school, is the Royal Roads University, so students can sometimes go to the Royal Roads library and study there. we're currently in our student lounge. Here, students can either relax and study, and they can also cook. We have cooking classes every week, and we cook food from different cultures. Over here, we have our school nurse. If students feel sick or they just want to consult anything, they can go ask the nurse questions. Over here is our dormitory elevator. Our dormitory has 6 floors. 3 are for students, male students, and 3 are for female students. Over here is our school uniform washing service. Every week, students give us their clothes and we deliver them clean clothes back. Lastly, if students want to clean clothes themselves, wash their clothes themselves, we also have washing machines, so they can attend that themselves. I'd like to show you guys our student dormitories. Students get the chance to customize their room to feel at home. Here's their beds, their work desk, and their closets. Rooms can be 2 students, and they can also be for 1 student.